Esteemed guests, I wish to welcome you all to tonight's presentation of the latest addition to the Bentley family. Tonight we present a true ultra-luxury SUV. We're thrilled to have you here with us at this significant moment for Bentley Cyprus, and we welcome you to come closer to the new Bentayga Extended Wheelbase, which we proudly unveil in front of you for the very first time. A fusion of elegant detail and supremely sculpted lines, its wheelbase extension complements the car's proportions perfectly. From the gleaming vertical veins of the front grille to a rear diffuser picked out in silver, this is a truly stunning car.